The HEIYOUCAM 2-pack wireless security cameras offer an advanced home surveillance solution with high-definition 3MP resolution and 1296p video quality, ensuring crystal-clear footage day and night. Equipped with night vision and a built-in spotlight, these cameras enhance visibility in low-light conditions, making them perfect for securing your home around the clock. Designed for outdoor use, these cameras are solar-powered, eliminating the hassle of frequent charging. The rechargeable lithium battery ensures continuous operation, even during cloudy days. With 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, installation is simple and wireless, allowing you to monitor your property remotely via a smartphone app. One of the standout features is PIR Human Detection, which intelligently identifies movement from people while reducing false alarms caused by pets or passing objects. When motion is detected, the floodlight activates automatically, and real-time alerts are sent to your phone, keeping you informed of any activity around your home. The two-way audio function lets you communicate with visitors or deter potential intruders, making these cameras not just a monitoring device but also an interactive security solution. Additionally, the system supports both SD card and cloud storage, ensuring that your footage is safely stored and easily accessible whenever needed. With weather-resistant durability, these cameras are built to withstand various outdoor conditions, providing reliable security for your home, garden, driveway, or business. The HEIYOUCAM wireless security cameras deliver high-tech protection with easy setup, ensuring peace of mind and enhanced home safety.